Project management is the backbone of successful information system development, involving meticulous planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. It's a dance of precision, where every step is choreographed to ensure the project's objectives align with time and budget constraints. But to manage this dance, project managers need the right music, and that's where project management tools come into play. In the realm of system development, project management is not just important, it's essential. It's about breaking down the project into manageable pieces, estimating time and budget for each, and ensuring that even the smallest deviation from the plan is corrected. This tight monitoring increases success rates and client satisfaction, while effectively managing budgets and risks. Let's dive into the world of project management techniques. The Gantt chart, a horizontal bar chart, visually represents task sequences over time. The critical path method, CPM, and project evaluation and review technique, PERT, are more analytical, perfect for scheduling tasks and allocating resources. PERT handles uncertain activity times, while CPM is for when you can predict activity durations with confidence. Together, they form a dynamic duo for planning and controlling complex projects. In today's fast-paced world, manual assessment of large projects is a Herculean task. Enter project management software, the modern solution to handle complexity with ease. These tools offer a plethora of features, from resource allocation to cost control. Microsoft Project, Matchware, Project Kickstart, and Rational Plan Multi-Project are just a few examples of software that streamline the management process, while Basecamp offers a web-based approach for project communication and management. In conclusion, project management tools are the unsung heroes that bring projects to life. They ensure that every resource is optimized, every risk is managed, and every deadline is met, all in the pursuit of delivering a successful information system.